I'm Fabio Guerini, Product Manager for Mapei Sealing and Bonding line. Today, I would like to present Mapeflex Blackfill Bituminous Sealant. This product is particularly recommended for sealing cracks, repairing gaps and uneven areas, and for blending in different materials on bituminous membranes. Mapeflex Blackfill maintains its plasticity permanently and forms an immediate seal, including on wet surfaces. Mapeflex Blackfill is a sealant specifically designed to bond to bitumen. It may be used to seal cracks and gaps, including where surfaces are damp and wet. Mapeflex Blackfill is a sealant that maintains its plasticity and tackiness permanently, which means it may also be used to carry out localized repairs on old bituminous membranes. To blend in and seal different materials immediately, including in bad weather, Mapeflex Blackfill is the ideal product. The highly effective sealing capacity of the product is also guaranteed if it comes into direct contact with rain or water.